Stephen from Conroe has a question about insulation compression.
Well, he has blown-in insulation in his attic right now, right? And Stephen writes, "Dear Tom, of course you know,
gonna wave when they say that.
Of course, you know what it looks like," he says to us, right? He says there's different piles of snow there and stuff all over the attic. He says, is it possible, he wonders, to compress this insulation, cover it with plywood for extra storage? That's going to have an impact on how that insulation works, isn't it?
Yeah, first off, you can do it. You can pack that stuff down where it's this thick if you want to, because it is fluffy. But
it's fluffy.
That's right. But as far as the R value, as you compress it down, the R value drops. So just remember that. That doesn't mean if you want to put all the junk in the world in your attic because you just are a hoarder and don't want to throw it away.
You have to get nasty about it.
Well, I don't think people should put things in their attic. And somebody when you pass away and then somebody has to go clean the attic out. It's usually stuff you never want to keep anyway. So that's just my 2 cents. But as far as you putting stuff up there, it's fine, and you will lose the R value. I think you should do what Charlie does, just put it in the garage.
No.
Not anymore.
No, Mrs. Mojer put an end to that program.
Oh, there you go.
But no, now we're paying to store it.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Even better.
Do you know that's like the #1 business in Houston now?
I don't doubt it.
Yeah?
Because of nitwits like me.
And nobody ever goes back to get anything out of there.
Well, here's the other thing, too. You're going to have fun when you put things in your attic, because when you go to get them, you know what you're going to find out?
Roaches.
They're dirty. Oh, my God. You don't. I will say, for the longest time, I disagreed with you about this, but I am 100% with you that you should not store things in your attic. It's just, you should put things in your attic you don't care about.
Well, that's what happens. That's what they do.
And if you don't care about it, why didn't you just put it on the curb?
It's also 140 degrees up there, so nothing. And remember this, roaches love boxes. They eat the glue in it.
Oh, they're tasty.
So if you do put something in your attic and you want to do the best job you can, you have to tape every seam on that box so they can't get inside.
You got to go down to one of the big home centers or Ace or somewhere and buy these plastic boxes to put stuff in. And you got to seal them and all that. I'm like, hello?
No,
if you need it that bad, what's it in the attic for? Okay, we're ranting here and we're going to move on. We are, because we want to make room for more questions that you're going to send us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'd love it when you send them to us because we answer them here, or you see the videos over here and subscribe to our channel.